You know how engineers be, they be like, why would you do that? Nobody does that. Come on, bro. Like, you know, they be doing dumb shit like that. But it's like, I'm gonna show you some shit like people really don't tell you how to use auto tune in a different way, because most people just tell you to use it on auto mode. Okay, that's cool if you're recording with it. But if you want to get settings nobody else can get, or just make your shit sound natural and you can be creative with your auto tune, I'm gonna show you what we do. We hit this one button called graph mode. Okay, it's very simple. We have record over here to the left. We have pitch and we have pitch and time. Me personally, I always do pitch and time because I like to manipulate the vocals in a very unique way. Okay, we got create curves from audio and auto mode. Okay, this shit right here, create notes from audio or MIDI, whatever. Then you got the draw lines, we got the tools and the timing, we got nudging, and we can control our tune, right? The retune speed and all that shit right here. Okay, it's very simple, looks intimidating, I get it. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm just gonna make this screen big as hell, right? Because that's what we're gonna focus on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit pitch and time. I'm gonna sound fucking horrible, okay?
Why you acting like I owe you some? Better check who you be playing with. Why you acting like I owe you some? Better check who you be playing with. Better check who you be playing with. Better check who you be playing with.
Alright, so enough of me embarrassing myself real quick. So you see what it did? It gives me all of these notes here, okay? So what I can do, I can say put all of them together so you can see everything, every little note, all of them are here. So what I like to do, I'll select all of these, all right? And then I'm gonna go to create notes from, and then do this right here, right? Because that just brings out every other note that I got. It gives me more control if I wanna manipulate and do a lot of different things later, okay? Because you see, again, we zoomed in closer. If I take this away, you see how this just goes in one block. All this shit just appears. Now we got multiple blocks. Okay, so now we can do like create curves from audio, or we can do auto mode. So if we just hit auto mode, it's gonna automatically auto tune the vocal.
Why you acting like I owe you some? Better check who you be playing with. Why you acting like I owe you some? Better check who you be playing with.
So you might be like, well, how does that differ from the other one? It's like, bro, like, I'm getting to that. Okay, so let's say we don't want the whole vocal to be just auto-tuned the fuck out. So we want certain parts. So watch this. So let's say we select this first part, right? And do this right here. So now that part right there is going to be tuned and nothing else is going to be tuned. Play.
Why you acting like I owe you some? Better check who you be playing with.
Not tuned. So like, see this? Like less tuned all the way up. So this is how you see the auto tune working. So like it's flattening the line, right? So now when it ends that right here, let's say we want this part right here to be tuned too. Probably this one too to be leaned in. So now we got this.
Why you acting like I owe you some? Better check who you be playing with.
Like you see how it goes natural into the tune, right? So like let's say we go over here. Let's bring that back like that. Same thing with this. Bring that one back like this. Bring this one back like this. So now the ending of this won't be tuned.
Why you acting like I owe you some? Better check who you be playing with.
You see what I'm saying? Like you have so much different control within that, right? It's like you really just zoned in for like for when it comes to like engineering the sound. I wouldn't recommend you do this when you're recording, because if you're trying to find the perfect auto tune settings, unique settings, and you're not done recording, you'll never get a chance to do this shit, right? So it's like those are the shits that you really need to pay attention to. Like graph mode is not that hard to understand, but you do need to understand you control a lot of shit, all right?